the few who stayed up to my face. My bruiser cheeks was smiling as I stumble in the last place. And that's okay, cause I ain't chasing accolades. But that don't mean I don't appreciate the things that people say my evil ways. Didn't get lost amongst a single page. Working through hate day to day. Was up to felt the change and then it obey? No. Can I relate? No. If you love your life, we see eye to eye as individuals. A cynical state? No. A critical case, I know. Building and break by breaking home and it has a strength to hold it. So we hold on till the storm is dead and gone. Weather grinding 9 to 5 and traveling like vagabonds to battle on. To move up the echelons, economics, ATM was open till we pressing on. We're pressing on, yeah. And we're pressing on, yeah, we're pressing on, pressing on. Showers full from this, so ponderous for the wanderlust and children us. Us is when we were young enough, like thunder, passing rubble dust. And even though we were at the level, kept us a full elimination, daring both the folks with loads of fun to make you choke. And we so low in the phone, you know we won't know they show. Back us gets things like this, making it through on fingertips. And we got these positions, ranging from the past convictions, hoping to make informed decisions. Always live my good like this is. Thanks for listening to the professional focus. About your bodies up and down, for the right out idealism. You keep those hands up on front, what doesn't kill you makes you young. One of these, that's what we tell ourselves. When times get tough, and that time and handcuffs, without you bust of a cop. Tugging gun deep in my back, and he wouldn't fucking stop. Still we rose to the top, the charges all block gone. The song in our heart, and a beat that drops. Yeah, alright. We love you guys equally, for sure. Fuck yeah. Alright, I want to say happy birthday to my cousin Aaron. Woo! I want to say congratulations to my other cousin on his newborn child.